Seattle, the Emerald City. Nestled between water and mountains, it's a city that awakens the senses. The scent of salt water mingles with the aroma of fresh coffee. The iconic Space Needle pierces the sky, a beacon of innovation and adventure. Let's explore this vibrant city together. Imagine strolling through Pike Place Market. Colorful flowers burst from every corner. Fishmongers entertain with their signature salmon toss. The aroma of fresh-baked bread fills the air. Seattle is a feast for the senses. Seattle is a city that embraces its coffee culture. From cozy neighborhood cafes to sleek modern roasters, there's a perfect cup waiting for you around every corner. Grab a latte and let's explore further. As the sun sets, Seattle transforms. The city lights twinkle on, casting a magical glow upon the waterfront. The Space Needle becomes a beacon, inviting you to experience the city from above. The Space Needle is a must-see. Ride the elevator to the top for panoramic views of the city, Puget Sound, and majestic Mount Rainier. Golden Hour offers the most breathtaking sunset views. Pike Place Market is a sensory overload in the best possible way. Watch the fishmongers toss salmon, sample fresh produce, and admire the vibrant flower stalls. Don't forget to leave your mark on the quirky gum wall. Ferries crisscross Puget Sound, connecting Seattle to charming islands and waterfront towns. Hop on a ferry for a scenic ride and experience the beauty of the Pacific Northwest from the water. Seattle is home to a thriving arts and culture scene. Explore the Museum of Pop Culture's architectural marvel, catch a show at the historic Paramount Theater, or wander through the galleries of Pioneer Square. Venture beyond the tourist trail and discover Seattle's hidden gems. Capitol Hill, with its indie spirit, offers a treasure trove of vintage shops, hip restaurants, and secret coffee dens. The Museum of Pop Culture, or MoPOP, is a feast for the eyes. Explore exhibits dedicated to music icons, science fiction legends, and video game heroes. The building itself is a work of art, with its swirling metal exterior. Escape the city buzz at Washington Park Arboretum. Wander through tranquil gardens, admire diverse plant species, and enjoy the peacefulness of nature. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge. Indulge in the flavors of the Pacific Northwest. Savor fresh oysters, Dungeness crab, and wild salmon at one of Seattle's many waterfront restaurants. And hey, don't forget to pair your meal with a local craft beer. Seattle's soul is woven into its independent spirit. Browse the shelves of Elliott Bay Book Company, an iconic bookstore that celebrates the written word. Get lost in the stories and discover new favorites. Experience coffee culture at its finest at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. From bean to cup, witness the art of coffee making and savor unique blends from around the world. Seattle is a city that invites you to explore, discover, and create lasting memories. So, where will your Seattle adventure take you? Please like, share, and subscribe. Your one subscribe would help exponentially and motivate me to deliver more useful content.